Hi there, friend, and welcome into the craft table at Sunny Mouse Studio. The other day I made this on a short, or showed it on a short, and so today I thought I'd show you step by step how I made this card. And I start in pencil, and I usually start in the middle. And this first ornament is just draw a circle, and then a couple lines across, kind of some mountains, a little top. And then I go down a little bit here, a little lower, and kind of an oblong shape. And one more over here. Something like that. And then I go in with my glazed Sakura pen. This kind of has a bit of a gloss to it. And I'm going to start all the way over on the left so I don't smear it. And also I need just to get it started because sometimes it blobs out at the beginning. Get the blobs out before I get on my actual paper, hopefully. Once this dries, you can erase any pencil marks that you don't want. I like these kind of cards. They're easy to make and you can do them with your kids, and they're pretty much anybody could make them. They're very simple. And then I need to let this dry. And I have one that's dry already. And then I go in with, I usually use this Pigma Micron, the 005. It's got a really fine line to it. But I'll just add some strings and maybe little ties where it's tied on. Like that. Something simple. And then I'll add the stamp. And I've been using this archival ink pad. It's waterproof, which is good when you're working with watercolor, although I'm not painting over this stamp in particular, but sometimes you do. And then I'm just trying to get it kind of in the middle there. Next we'll add some paint. I'm using the Kuretake Art Nouveau set. I can move this out a little bit. And I'm using this blue, I'm not sure what it's called. Let's see. It's called grayish blue, which is pretty much what it is. So I'm just gonna get that moistened up. And then just make sure that your glaze pen is dry if you're using that. It usually takes about, I wait about 10 or 15 minutes just so it's not tacky at all. And then I'm kind of painting every other one of these little blocks here. And maybe going back with a little more color on the one side. Give it some depth. And on this one I'm painting everything but the mountains that are going like that. And you can use any colors you like. You can use more Christmassy reds or greens, golds, silver. It's the beauty of these cards. You can make them how you like them to your taste. And then you'll need to let that dry. And then at the very end, I've got another one that's dry here. At the very end, I go in with some more doodles and markings. I like to use this gold Uniball pen and my Molotow white pen. And for the gold, I'm just going to go right in on these little half circles here. And then I'm going to make some dots here, and then dots on every other line that's coming down. This kind of got to get started too. Haven't used it in a bit. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to go in on these little blocks. Oh, I forgot to put the blue on that one. I'm gonna go back at the end and get that. And I'm gonna give some little dots down here and maybe some lines across here. And some dots on these. And these cards are great because you can do a whole bunch at once and have a lot made for whatever purpose you need them for. Just coming back in here with the blue that I missed. So I hope you enjoyed this design. It's real simple and easy and fun to do. And I hope you're having a great day, and I look forward to painting again with you soon. Take care.